What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you some serious sauce. This is how you can get some crazy beats, all right? So check this out. All right, so I'm gonna play a little bit of this beat so you can hear how it sounds now and then after. All right, it's a bop, right? Now, check this out. So this is gonna be weird, but this is how you can get really cool drops or even a whole new beat. All right, so let me show you this. So you go into your master, or at least a second master, something where everything is routed to it. You're just gonna want to throw gross beat on. All right, and then you're gonna want to go over to the presets, go over to momentary, and then go to the ×2 speed. Okay. Now, if we play this, it's going to sound really trash, but I'm going to play it for you so you can hear what's going on. It's really trash, but it's just speeding it up ×2, okay? But now, what we're going to want to do is go up here to the tempo and right-click it and go to half speed, all right? Now, let's listen to it. Yeah, you get the picture. It's like a whole new beat. Now, I did take the bass out of the chorus for this because when it does the ×2 speed and then you half time it like that, made the bass sound really weird. But anyway, it's still really dope. Now, you may be asking how you can record that in. It's actually pretty simple to record it in. All you're going to need to do is go up here to this little scissor button and click that, and it's going to open Edison. Then you can just click the recording button on Edison and then hit play up here on your actual track. All right, so once you got the recording that you like, you can just go over here to this icon right here. It's the little pointer with the paper. You can just click and drag that into your playlist. And there you have it. Now, if you wanted to separate that, so you would have like your drums separate and your melody separate, you would have to record it separately every single time. So like if you wanted to do the main melody just separate, or the melodies together separate, you would have to solo them like that and then go into the Edison. You can press delete on this to get rid of it. I don't want to do that right now. Or you can even actually open a new thing of Edison. Then you could just record it in over here. Same process, just hit the record button and then press play. It's a little tedious if you're trying to get all the stems, but nonetheless, it's a really dope way to get some interesting, unique beats. Yeah, if this brought you some sauce, please leave a like and hit subscribe and hit the little bell. I really appreciate that. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.